What's up, Productivity Junkies? Darren Persinger here. Let's look today at how to set up your Google Analytics onto your WordPress.org site. Okay? Everyone wants to know, how do you get ROI out of social media, out of inbound marketing, out of this internet marketing stuff? Well, the way that you do that is you need to start measuring and tracking things, and Google Analytics is a great tool to do that because it's free and it's going to give you all sorts of metrics. Your head's going to spin and you're not going to know how to make sense of everything that's flying at you. You'll have more metrics than what you need in order to figure out whether you're getting ROI out of this. So let's launch into this and figure out how to add analytics to your site so you know how your web presence is doing. The first thing that you're going to do is just go to Google and do a Google search for Google Analytics. Okay? That's going to take you to the site for you to pop in and start to set up your account if you do not have an account. So if you don't have a Google Analytics yet, if you've never set up your site, just simply click Sign Up Now. And if you're brand new to Google, if you don't have a Gmail account or you don't use Google Docs, you're going to want to go to Create an Account Now. Okay? And this will walk you through the entire process. So your current email, is that a Yahoo, a Hotmail, your company name, whatever it is, just go through this process and set up your analytics account. Once you get down to the bottom, just click I accept and create my account, and you'll be right where everyone else is. I'm going to jump back and go into here. If you do have a Gmail account already, just log in with your current account. I'm going to log in with the account that I use for the site that I'm setting up here. And that logs me into the back end of the Google Analytics. We're already set up, ready to go. Now, I have a bunch of sites already back here that I'm keeping tabs on. But what you're going to want to do is simply scroll down to where it says Add New Profile. Okay, right here it says Add New Profile. Just simply click on that. And we're going to add a profile for a new domain name. So the domain that I'm going to set up today is impactformula.com, a new group coaching program that I'm going to be launching soon. So this is where you would put in the URL of your WordPress.org site. So, http://myteamname.com, I sell realestatehere.com, whatever the site is, the domain name, the URL, that's where you put it in. Check the area that you're in, whether you're the States, Canada, wherever, then the time zone. I'm Pacific, so I'm going to change that, and I'm going to click Finish. That's going to start to set this up. Now here's what I want you to do. Leave this screen up. Don't touch anything else right here. Leave it alone. Don't do anything. As you see right here, it says Tracking Not Installed. That's okay, because that's what we're going to go do now. We're going to go set up our tracking. So one thing that I want you to just remember is this UA number, but that's why we're not going to touch this. Just leave this alone for now. And let's go log in to the back end of our site. Okay? So you're going to log into the back end of your WordPress.org site. I'm already logged in, so we're going to get to the dashboard. What you want to do is scroll down to Plugins. Click on Plugins. Then when that opens up, we're going to click on Add a New Plugin. Now the plugin that we're going to add is something that you can simply search for. So what you're going to search for is Ultimate GA, which of course GA is standing for Google Analytics. Search for that plugin. And only two choices should come up, but you want the one that says Ultimate Google Analytics. Click Install Now. It will ask, are you sure you want to install this plug? Absolutely. Okay, then you'll see this on your screen if you've never added a plugin to your site before. By the way, you can do tons of customization and add lots of cool, fun stuff to your site. Don't do too much though, but you'll get to this screen that says Installing plugin, downloading install package, installing the plugin, successfully installed. Alright, now the next thing that we want to do is we need to activate the plugin. So we're going to just simply click activate plugin, and it lets us know plugin activated. So let's just scroll down. There it is, Ultimate Google Analytics, and because it says it gives us the option to deactivate, we know that it's set up and ready to go. So the next thing that we need to do is you're going to scroll down and you're going to go under settings, and you're going to find right here under settings on your dashboard where it says Ultimate GA. Click that and it's going to pop open that plugin screen, and it's going to ask for your account ID with your UA dash. It wants to know what that numbers are. Those numbers are. So now we're going to go back to that tracking code that we saw from Google. Now it's going to give you a bunch of stuff down here that you could paste into your site. Now if you have an HTML static site, something like that, sure, you could go that route, but we're doing WordPress.org because we like life to be easy. And we're going to just simply take this UA, this number right here, copy it. I'm assuming you guys will not copy my number and steal my code. Yeah, if you want my analytics, go for it. Then if you see something that I should be doing differently, go ahead and give me some advice. I'd love it. Alright, so we're going to add that UA number in right there. Just simply click Update Options. Alright, options saved, so everything's good to go. Now we're going to go back to our Google Analytics page, and you're going to scroll down to the bottom to click Save and Finish because we've done what we need to do. We're going to roll back over to our Analytics, and we're going to scroll down to find that site. Now mine's Impact Formula, right? So what we want to do here is, this is telling me that it's not necessarily installed, but what we need to do is kind of let it know that we've done our job and to go check. So you scroll over, let me go back, kind of did that fast there. You're going to scroll all the way over to the right where it says Edit or Delete. Don't click Delete. That'd be bad. We'd have to do this all over again. Click Edit, and that's going to open up your profile settings for that specific URL, that domain name. So this is saying tracking not installed. Well, we know that we installed it, so what we want to do is just simply click this check status. Alright, so right here is what we were looking for. Waiting for data. Analytics has been successfully installed and data is being gathered now. What up? We've done what we need to do. So now Google's just going to go out and do whatever it is that Google does to make sure that that site is set up and they have all their code. But that's how easy it is, you guys, to set up your Google Analytics with WordPress.org. If it went by a little too fast, just go back and watch the video all over again. But now you can start to track and measure your site traffic, your page traffic, your keywords, what time of day, what the location, just all sorts of things. So this is how you're going to know if there's ROI in any of this stuff. Good luck and make it a productive day.